So this is our third meetup. We started these this summer. We covered an old meetup group that was abandoned, and it is pretty growing. Thank you very much for coming. I think it's at least attended so far. So you all know the page already. If you give this initial speech. So the organizers, it's myself. My name is Mark. So over here you have Matt Saunders and Mary as well on the camera. I work at a company called Guru, and Matt works at a company called Cantina, so the typical we hiring speech. So if you want to work somewhere else where you're working or anything similar, just want to, flirt, just come talk with us. We wouldn't be here without the sponsors, right? So we're sponsored by O'Reilly, who's being awesome. Next week they're doing Velocity here in Europe. Anyone here going to Velocity next week? Anyone? I'll see you there. Perfect. And they're also giving us books to give away. So at the end of these, we give away a book on chef, which is very, very good, written by Lord Nelson, one of our locals. And Devops guys is a consultancy company. They are also sponsoring us. And we also got sponsors, Yonder and Beyond. There's an incubator that I'll let Jack speak about it.
Cheers, Mark. Thank you. Hello, guys. Welcome to the third London Devops. Good to see how much it's growing quite quickly. So a little bit about me. My name's Jack. I work at Prism Digital. So we're a technology recruitment company. So we specialise on the DevOps front, development front, and infrastructure front. A little bit different about us. We're part of a technology incubator called Yonder and Beyond. So we're quite fortunate enough to sit alongside quite exciting mobile development apps, as well as sitting opposite DevOps engineers, which quite helps us quite a lot. So yeah, I know Yonder and Beyond are always really interested in speaking to people with interest in startup ideas, and always really interested in that. In fact, our CPO is here tonight, Mahmood, give you a wave. So he'll probably be interested in speaking to anyone with any interesting ideas. But yeah, thanks for coming. Enjoy the talks, and yeah, come and chat with us after. So yeah, I'll pass you on to James, who's kind enough to host the event at Mood. So I'll pass you over.
Hello guys, welcome to Mood. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with us, but we're a digital, quite creative online print company. Amazing business cards, which I'm sure you will see. There's a few printouts on the table there as well. I work in our talent team, so we're currently looking for people to join us. That's one of the reasons why we're hosting tonight. That's obviously for you guys to come here and learn more about the DevOps. Also wanted to make you aware that we have got a discount as part of you coming here tonight. If you do want to use our products, then the code is up on the screen, 20% off, and you can use that until the end of the year. And there's also a sale at the moment as well, so please do give our cars a test drive and yeah, hopefully enjoy it. I'll pass you over to our CTO, Mike Nuttall, who's going to...
I'm not CTO. No sales pitch, no recruitment. Just want to say hi. Very welcome to our offices. We're very keen to encourage meetups. We held an Agile meetup last week. We've done various things over time trying to get a bit more involved. So if you're involved in other meetups and you're looking for venues, please do contact us. We're very easy to get in touch with. I also want to give something back. So I have a couple of t-shirts to give away. And Google was my friend in searching for a couple of Linux-related facts, and first hand up with a close-ish related answer gets a t-shirt. To Linux celebrated a birthday this year in August. Anyone within a year of how many years old Linux is?
5. 20. 20.
We got an exact answer over there. It was 23. It's topographical and type stuff, you know. They're not big prizes. And the other question, Debian related, could anybody name the third biggest contributing country after the US and Germany?
UK.
It's not UK.
Canada.
Yes. That's after UK. European. Sweden. No.
France.
Yay! You said France. Well done. Enjoy. I hope somebody does the usual, the toilets are that way, the fire exits that way.
This is all about the community. So at every meetup we try to point you to the meetups that are happening in the next weeks. I just can't repeat them, there's no anything special. So there's the one meetup that is quite interesting, the London Continuous Delivery Group is doing a joint meetup with the Chef User Group in London, which is happening on the 19th of November, which is next Wednesday, in the Bedford offices. And also the AWS User Group, the 27th of November, which will happen just after the AWS conference is happening this week. So there will be a big recap of what happened there. It's quite interesting. They released a lot of very interesting products. And also as well, the biggest DevOps meetup in London is happening soon. There's no date yet, but as soon as we know, I'll try to send you a message, or if you are subscribed to it, please subscribe to DevOps Exchange as well. And of course, we have a special meetup in 2 weeks. So we've been lucky enough that we will have one of the senior operators from Etsy coming to visit us from the US. So come join us. We'll be in the Just Eat offices, and you can ask whatever you want to them. Conferences, there's PubCon London next Monday. I think they ran out of tickets already, but it will be very interesting. And also next week there's Velocity, which will be quite big, but after Velocity there's always a conference which is just one day, which is called WebPerfDays. So if you're around Barcelona and you have a couple of days that you want to spend, the 20th of November, we are organizing WebPerfDays with a friend from Barcelona. So please join us. Please join us. And of course we have a small discount. If you want to go last minute to Velocity, 150 euros off, which is not much now because they're full price, so it's not as advantageous as it was before. So tonight we have a couple of talks. We got the last minute drop due to an emergency, but we'll have Oren Matt Saunders talking about the 5 years of DevOps. DevOps Days in Ghent just happened last week, and it was the official celebration of 5 years since the initial DevOps days. And we'll have also Ben Fishman from Docker that will talk about new ways of running Docker in production. So, as I said, thank you everyone for coming. We try to make this grow, and we listen to what you have to say. So please visit this link and tell us what you think about this. Anything that we're doing wrong or anything that we're doing right that you want more of, like cookies, for example. Yeah, thank you for coming. So I'll hand over to Matt.